Wow, my mic must be cutting it out. I guess it cuts out all the background noise. It's a good mic, but anyway, it's wild to me. It sounds like a vacuum cleaner singing this. It's kind of looking. I'm gonna figure out how to turn it down. Blue Yeti is what I used to have. What happens if you use a bed in the end? By the way, level 1, I'm just gonna say it now. It says don't say bed in the. So if you guys.
Guys, in the event chat of LoverFella, there's so many people here. Like, look how many are there. So many. Bruh.
Mobs are not. Excuse me. Dupe glitches wouldn't work. No, mobs don't. Oh, what's happening? Oh.
Oh my.
How was that nowhere? Yeah, we don't have any dupes there. Okay, so level 1. Today we're going to be looking at 100 things in Minecraft you should never do, and I'm guaranteeing you've never seen this. I'm not guaranteeing anything. Cut that part out and just go to the first bit. Level, you should never put your bed inside the nether or inside, and if you don't know this at this point, you're going to have to try it out yourself. Survival of the fittest. See what happens.
This is what LoverFella sounds like behind the scenes.
Use Minecraft knowledge water, gives succulent grass for 4 blocks. This is a waste farmland. Mobs are disabled. Mobs are disabled. Oh, here we go, guys. This is straight from Mojang itself. Water fertilizes up to 4 blocks away. Did you know that if you put water and then water and then not water, you're actually wasting water farming? This is showing a bad way to make a farm because you're not using that 4 blocks away. Know that one.